on Ghana. Kofua Kabebia, a dear for Abano. Kofua Super Pastor be say, or can say, Omane Boamah and Ibrahim into anything. It's pastor near powerful into anything. Oh, a dang. Pastor no, or cast Omane Boamah be who wouldn't have going to assume be who. Or can say, Omane Boamah be baby bar. I don't know one for Murtala Mohammed anka. I don't know one can say a plane crash. Like a dang. Oh. I just want to take this opportunity to extend my condolence to the family. It's sad. I've been a 1 year for these 3 major reasons. First of all, one person could not even survive from the crash to even come and tell us what happened. Whether it was the fault of the pilot, whether it was someone who attacked them in the flight, whether it was a failure of the aircraft, like, it's sad. 2, for you to see that helicopter no kotiato, you could see won't mean you like you can't help yourself. Both a helicopter no kotiato, but you can't help yourself. 3, they were bent, and the 4th one is almost free majority of them did not even know say almost back. Majority of them did not even know say almost back. It's sad. I mean, for crying say you. Maybe in some way he now see they be see a woman who hear me. It's sad. Everything is difficult, but what I can say is there is life after death. That's why the Bible says that it is appointed for man to die once, and after death is judgment. After all is said and done, Dimbe na obeja. After all is said and done, Dimbe na obeja. And when you meet your maker, akunta be na obe buama maker. It's important. Apart from that, let's love more, and yema nipa hu hiaye. You understand? Yema nipa hu hiaye. It shouldn't be said because these people are popular and ni omu wo dini omu wo skanti no omu wo no yebeka ho asem okra bia hu hia any individual obeka baby bia hu hia, including those 15 church members na omu ko program church program omu ni accident wo Kumasi Accra road, like obia hu hia tino as a country no yema nipa nkwa ehu hia ye. What I say, whether you need nipa no, you need nipa, yema nipa nkwa hu ehia ye. It's sad, and let's all live our lives in such a way. I mean, I don't even know what to say, guys. Leave your comments, but it's sad. These are fantastic brains. What I say, fantastic brain. Most of them, I may not know them on a personal basis. Like the 6 others, I may not know them on a personal basis. But especially Murtala Mohammed, I used to listen to him. Sharp guy with idea. He knows a lot. You know, but Murtala Mohammed, any Dr. Omane Boamah, I used to listen to them, especially Murtala Mohammed. Those times on TV3 New Day, Key Points, weekend program, I used to listen to. There are a lot of people I listen to who are smart, you know, and I used to listen to him a lot. Think about it, they cannot be replaced. And they can't be replaced. You know, it's difficult. Yamemwa enombo ehina ehoban. Ina also no sense who free na okoba. And I would dakra now sorry yame yemfasi damayame. God, thank you for my life and thank you for grace. Thank you for the life of my family. Have mercy on all of us. And continue taking care of us and continue giving us the gift of life. I'm out. Bye-bye. Oh, yo. Yeah, she's sweeping.